Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have an unboxing video here using the trusty old Swiss Army knife here to cut open this package, hopefully quickly and efficiently without cutting myself. So this is a watch with 2 crowns. Saw this on Instagram or YouTube, I'm not really sure where I saw it, but I reached out to the company, asked them to send one over, and this is on loan, so really appreciate them sending it over, and I'll be sending this back to the company. I think it's going to Singapore. So yeah, Biotic watches. Cool looking case here. I don't know if this is a production model or prototype. We'll check it out. I have not really looked on their website too much either, so don't know what we're getting into here. It looks like extra links. Yeah, so there it is. Cool little case here. Not seen one like this before. Yeah, so actually it's holding it upside down there because it has a crown on both sides. It reminds me of Frankenstein. Quite a few different Frankenstein movies too, but anyway. So it looks to be a compass bezel. I'm not sure how practical that is for me, but it's unique, it's a little bit different. And then the 3 o'clock crown. So that was the 9 o'clock crown I was just playing with. 3 o'clock crown. Looks like we're in hand winding. There we go. Second hand is now moving. Pull out again. We should be in date set. Yeah, I'm out of the danger zone. Now the way out is hacking and time set. Move it to 1010. Push it back in. Screw it down. Yeah, so the crown looks to be, is that an octagon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. This has more than 8 sides. But anyway, I do like this case shape. It's very neat. These, I guess I call them bevels on the side. It is a heavy feeling watch though. Looks like these are lightning cuts, but the watch is actually pretty heavy. I'll get a weight on that for the full presentation video. Looks like we have a display case back here too. Maybe not. What is that? What is that? That's weird. You know, I'll get this on wrist and then I'll remove the bracelet here as a quick release bracelet end link, so I'll take that off and we'll study the back here a little bit closer. Very interesting. All right, let's get this on wrist and then we'll look at the case back. Oh, looks like it has a quick toolless adjustment system too, similar to what's on Christopher Ward and Zelos watches. Very handy. Dual pusher deployment, so solid links, solid end links. H-link style bracelet. We'll get it sized up for my wrist for the full presentation here too, but we'll just throw it on real quick here and then we'll take a look at the case back. Don't want to take too much time in the unboxing. Today I'm wearing the Tudor Black Bay 58. I just recently returned from vacation. It's about a week long on vacation. I've been wearing this one for vacation, but yeah, I've not worn the same watch for a week in a long time now. So yeah, threw this one on as soon as I came back. I always wear this watch on vacation. There we go. Ah, 2 crowns. Threw me off again. I put it on upside down. There's a cool color dial though. I don't know, it looks kind of purple or brown. I have to ask my wife what color it is. I don't know. I think it's some kind of brown. Looks like a brownish color to me. So there it is on my 6.5 inch wrist. And then you know what? We'll zoom out here. Close up my notebook there. Yeah, that other crown really just, I don't know. I don't know if I would get used to that or not. Let me know what you guys think of that second crown. On one side or the other, it doesn't look too bad, but the two crowns are just really, really unique. Alright, let's take off one end of this bracelet here and we'll study the case back. Take a close look at the dial real quick. The neat dial too, it's got it's kind of like a bowl shape to it. Then it comes back up again, so very neat. I like the depth and texture to that. I'm not exactly sure what that is. Very interesting. Okay, I see a compass on there. Maybe that's a map or something. Well, I'll figure it out for the full presentation here, and that will conclude this video. If you have not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button, like the video, and leave a comment below. Alright, as always, thank you for taking the time, and thank you for watching.